Hey everyone, welcome to Teo's Take for another espresso machine unboxing video. This video is gonna have three different phases. Today we're gonna do the first phase of unboxing the machine, and later on it's gonna follow up with a video called my traditional first shot, first cup video. Simply I make a video about the machine with the standard accessories comes in the box. And I pull a shot and we'll kind of evaluate the shot. And the third and last video about this espresso machine is going to be an accessories and aftermarket upgrades video. Simply it's going to be whatever you can do to get a better shot. Something beyond the factory accessories comes with the machine, such as high extraction baskets, leveling tools, different tamper, etc, etc. So today what we're doing is we're unboxing this gadget, and it's the model number R19380. So and this is in Lobster Red. If you remember in one of my Touring DF54 upgrade videos, I added some red accents on my Touring DF54. So I'm thinking about this machine complementing those red accents. Also red is, you know, it's in the flag of Italy, so why not? It's an Italian machine. My long-term plan for this machine is upgrading it internally, more hardcore upgrade than just accessories, adding some electronics like PID and things like that. So we'll see how it turns out. So today what we're doing is we're unboxing this shipping box and going into the box. So let's go ahead and open our trusty Ozark Trail knife and start cutting. Comparing to other machines I had, those machines with the grinders and things, this appears to be a lot smaller box, which I appreciate that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. Okay, let's go ahead and typical Gaggia box, red with a white stainless steel machine on it. Gaggia Milano Classic manual espresso machine, colors of Italian flag, some stuff in Italian. I don't even want to attempt to pronounce this. You know, it talks about the Gaggia Classic espresso machine and such. Let's go ahead and open the box. This is a brand new box, never been opened. So I really appreciate that. Amazon didn't send me something returned or something repackaged. Nobody wants that. If they want to buy a new one, they want to get a new one. Here's a giant styrofoam on top, and then the beautiful machine inside. Oh man, I love this color already. All right, there's nothing else in the box. It's painted like a Ferrari, you guys. All right. Wow. Incredibly nice machine. Glad I picked this one up. I was almost gonna get a Thunder Black. No offense to Thunder Black, guys. However, I'm ready for something lively. Anyways, here's a user manual. It says Classic E24 on the user manual. And here's some box with the goodies in it. Drip tray, classic. It's that thick one. You can always, if you have taller drinks, you can always pick one up from Amazon for a slimmer tray. I'll go ahead and link that in the description. So if those of you already own a Gaggia, want to pick one up, you can go ahead and order it there. And that way you can support my channel too. And here's the classic steam wand, the water container, and of course here's the water discharge pipe, power cord, water container, relatively small, but good enough. Basically what I recommend is wash all these parts. That's what I'm gonna do prior to making coffee with this. All right. All right, perfect. I like this drip tray. Everything seems so simple about this machine, which I really appreciate it. It's a minimalist machine with a Ferrari-like paint. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, we get a little scoop, a plastic tamper, which definitely not going to use it, but we'll use it on our first shot, first cup video. 2 non-pressurized baskets, 1 double, 1 single shot. And here's a screen for the drip tray, covered with white protective sticker on it, or some sort of coating that you can peel it right off. Here it goes. All right, what else comes out of this box? Wow, fairly hefty, mirror shine. Feels like metal. Comparing to my Thunder Black, this was aluminum on my Evo. And here's the little rubber gasket to close this for backflush. And here's a pressurized double basket. It was inside this. Let's go ahead and, kind of curious, let's go ahead and weigh this. See how many grams. All right. Let's see how heavy is this Portafilter. Wow, it's 454.6 grams, equals to 1 pound, almost a pound, if not over or less. Yeah, fairly heavy. Wow, beautiful double spout. I like this, you guys. I really do. Finally, Gaggia has a nice portafilter living up to its name, and I really like this. All right, so this is the Gaggia Classic E24 according to user manual. What I want to do is I want to actually flip it over and see if I can remove all this so I can comfortably flip this over. I want to see the model number. You guys, this machine is manufactured on December 2024. So it's approximately 4 months old. It says Classic E24, made in Italy. Excellent. I am so impressed. Let's go ahead and put this in. Oh yeah, Gaggia has this angled way of doing it. Here she is. Beautiful, Ferrari Red. That's what I'm gonna call this. Gaggia Classic E24. Well, you guys, this sums up our unboxing video and first impressions. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And I'll see you on the next tail steak video. Have a delicious day.